It's your boy, Coach C, CEO SFPT. So I'm gonna do today's ab exercise. What it is, it's called a plate crunch stack. All right, I'm gonna do a crunch. I'm gonna stack these plates on my shins. Watch what I do. You gotta stack them up and take them off. Watch this. So we're gonna lay on our back. We're gonna put our legs up 90 degrees here. We're gonna tighten our core up. We're gonna reach up, grab the plate, crunch up, stack it, place it, come back. And the next one, stack it, place it, come back. Next one, stack it, place it, come back. Up, touch back here, come up, grab the plate, stack it, stack it, stack it, touch, come back, stack it. We do it 2 times through before you quit. Touch, come back up. That movement right there, your lower abs, upper abs, isometric contraction, put your hips to the floor, your lower back to the floor, work your abs, all right? And the weight is gonna press down, but you squeeze the lower abdominals. So, it's me, Coach C, once again, the ab workout of the day, and I'll see you on jump day on Wednesday.